I'm right to both. Oh, excuse me. Oh, I got a fucking hiccup. Ow, shit. Cocking and bowling.
Yeah, excuse me.
I'm bored. I'm so tired. I'm really like it's to the point now where I won't do the dance if it comes on. If that song comes on, excuse me. All right. Excuse me. I've been dealing with life. Did somebody send this shit to Trey? I sent my Bigo to him. He ain't fucking joined. Matter of fact, let me just do it. Literally. Kid. Oh my god. I'm a football player in a female body. I've got. Excuse me. I am also eating crab legs. Excuse me. Fuck. It varies. Like I said. Yes, at least I'm alive. Okay. Oh, very slow. What is this one? I don't think I know this one. This one's called Damn I Love Miami. Ooh. Excuse me. Well, leftover Red Baron pizza. Excuse me. Oh. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Fire. Don't look at me like that. You be burping too. It's not. $7.25 is minimum wage in the state of Georgia. Excuse me. Excuse me. You gotta give me a second. My tummy needs time to settle. Everything's a little bit different. I've never heard of that term. I love this shirt. But it pisses me off because it never wants to fucking... Excuse me. Oh. Oh, excuse me. There's a big one in there and it hurts because it won't come out. Okay, maybe not big. Wait, there's more. There we go. I think that's an evidence. There it goes. Excuse me. Excuse me. It hurts. A little demon. What about if y'all go right here? There we go. Excuse me. Okay. I burped. Excuse me. It was a little baby burp though. Y'all didn't miss nothing. Toothbrush and toothpaste in the morning.